Welcome to Feast of Culture. Today we cook Ofe Oha with Eba and Akpu, rolls, soup, Eba, Akpu and Abacha lines. Safety first, speed second. Strong lift, gentlemen. Watch your footing.
Clean hands, clean pots, clean tables. Oha leaves, picked fresh.
Ede cocoyam goes in to cook for our soup thickener.
Ede cocoyam paste, ready.
Manuaki palm oil, low heat, outdoors, safety first.
Ogiri okpe, fermented seed paste, adds depth.
Yonu, onion and oshe pepper build aroma.
Uziza seeds, peppery warmth.
Okporoko, stockfish, goes in. Azamiri, dried fish.
Anu efi, beef and anu ewu, goat.
No salt, light touch, then taste.
Ede cocoyam thickens beautifully.
Oha leaves, delicate, add at the end.
Flavors married, Ofe Oha is set. Gary, cassava granules for Eba. Steady hands. Hot water first. Eba, Gary and hot water, smooth and firm.
Consistent size for fast service.
Akpu, cassava fufu, soft and stretchy. Akpu, ready for Ofe Oha.
Abacha, cassava flakes, soaked and fluffy.
Akanwu, potash, tiny amount, handled carefully.
Steady hands. Hot water first. Manuaki palm oil turns velvety for Abacha.
Ugba, oil bean, add savor.
Kreshish, grain isha.
And ose, pepper. Utazi, bitter leaf herb, and onion for brightness.
Anyara, garden egg, and azu smoked fish.
Abacha line ready for the crowd.
Ofe Oha, Oha soup with a thickener, rich and ready.
Assembly line, steady rhythm.
Refill coming through.
We serve our elders first, with gratitude.
Biko, enjoy.
Imela, thank you.
May this meal unite us. Dalu. Please, one by one, there is enough for everyone. Eba gari.
Akpu cassava fufu.
Ofe Oha, Oha soup.
Uziza and ogiri. Perfect balance.
Oha, Oha leaf. Ede, okokoyam.
Manuaki,
Palm oil.
Ogriope, fermented seed paste. Tiny akonwa only. Keep hands clear. Oil stays on low heat.
Steady flames, clear paths, safe hands.
Slow and steady. Almost there.
It's delicious.
Thank you from Feast of Culture. You've been watching Feast of Culture. See you next time. Hold on. So you won't live without liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel. Abeg support us, Jare!